Hi guys, how you doing? It's Wednesday again. I apologise in advance for any random sounds coming. There's some roadworks happening on the street. Thought if I got up early enough I could record this and it wouldn't matter, but yeah, that didn't happen. 10 to 7, already digging. Anyway, uh, yeah, thank you to everybody that sent me a message, left a comment, whatever last week regarding the hobby slump thing. It was really useful and it's good to know that I'm not the only one that kind of has those things. So this week, what have I been doing? Well, I've still been in that hobby slump a little bit. I'm on my way out of it. I'm definitely climbing out of this hole, but it's taking some effort. So what have I got done? Nothing completed this week, but that's not a problem. Any type of progress is good progress. So I've been working on a new gaming surface. So it's hobby adjacent, but I feel like I needed a space to play the games on. So what I currently have is kind of like a table topper, so it sits on top of the dining room table. Turns out my wife wasn't particularly happy with that solution, and she would prefer if I wasn't in the dining room with my friends, taking up all of the space at times. So yeah, I've got some space in the garage, using some of that space a little bit more sensibly, and it's allowing me to have a larger gaming area. So that's currently what I'm building. I'm fitting some new lights, some rigging for filming, so that's going to be good, and that's a nice project. It's totally different to the monotony that I'm feeling at the moment with the building and the painting, the same things over and over. So that's good. Also, obviously, not Indomitus, I was going to say Indomitus. Kill Team should be here on Saturday morning. So hyped about that. I figured out the schemes, like I say, I think I mentioned it before, for my Deathcore of Krieg. I've now decided on that 100%. That's nailed down. I've done the test scheme. I've painted one model, just a random figure that I had kicking around in that colour scheme. Really happy with it. We'll see how that goes down. The Ork scheme, I've got figured out. I'm doing something a little bit different for me. I'm nervous about. But I think it's going to work. But why not? What's worse that could happen? I'll strip them and start again if I really hate it. But I think most of the most of the launch day is going to be spent getting everything off the sprue, magnetising what I can magnetise, getting the terrain built, getting terrain primed. That's it. That's basically everything I've done this week, to be honest, guys. It's been fairly light. Lots of things going on in real life as well. So yeah, and this gaming table build, it's fairly big compared to the tiny little 28mm minis we used to. So yeah, that's taking some time. Hopefully I'll have it done for Saturday, depending on the lighting situation, if I can get that done. So that's it for me this week, guys. Climbing out that hobby slump hole. We'll see how it goes. And I think I'm going to change my upload schedule. I don't know if I'm going to do it before or after I hit the 1 year anniversary mark. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to go to a Monday or a Thursday release. Yes. I don't know yet. I need to look at the analytics, but there's something in there about views that I think requires me to do something and change up that schedule. Right, cool. Let me know down in the comments what you've been up to this week. Really interested to know, and yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on Saturday for another video. Alright, cheers guys.